Dash AI allows marketing teams to harness the power of AI to boost their creativity. That includes being able to supercharge your social media posts by brainstorming new ideas for any type of social media platform. Additionally, you can use Dash AI to draft copy and collateral based on your company's knowledge, or use the Dash AI web integration to get inspiration from other marketers. In this query, I'm asking Dash AI to write a LinkedIn post for me about one of our new integrations and to optimize for comments. This is going to pull information from across my company's internal knowledge base and surface some examples for me that I can use within LinkedIn. I can easily copy this response, paste it into LinkedIn, and I've saved myself a ton of time. This example is something that I would use the web integration for, like give me 3 ideas for a blog post about the power of generative AI. I could also use AI mode for this type of query. This will surface a brand new response for me that doesn't pull from information from across my company's internal knowledge. And I can then ask Dash AI clarifying questions or copy this response and use it as part of my blog post.